What's up, my fellow Geekians? I'm NeonGreenKing, and today we have an Xbox Series X. Now, how do we get this, you ask? Well, we got it from Walmart for $958 plus tax, making it $1,000. Yeah. So as you could tell, it was not cheap. We just unwrapped this for Christmas. So now, let me just tell you right off the bat. There's no tape on the sides, only because, well, we already checked.
And look how beat up the package is right there. It has a little dent in it because, you know, Walmart.
It's fine. Now, okay, the unboxing itself will actually be on the floor because, well,
well, because it's easier.
Yes. Now, back up, Drew.
Okay.
We want to get good experience. Look at the packaging and all
yeah,
that.
Look at our controllers. Yeah.
Look at that. I'll just wait. Hold on. Hang on. Just. There, yeah, and then the side, and oh god, the other side, because, you know, people care about this. Oh, power your dreams, wow, do a crazy wow with the phone, wow,
yeah,
wow.
Halo. Dude, we don't even play Halo, but yeah.
Yeah, we don't even play Halo.
Dude, wait, which one is it? We have like Halo 5, right? We haven't even opened it yet.
Yeah, it's right there, over there.
Yeah, it's like over there, yeah, with our other Xbox games.
Alright, well, time for the big reveal. Are you guys...
Yeah, oh, also, one more thing before we do it. Cameron made this. And now we're just...
It's a fake.
Now just...
It's made out of paper. Hey.
Because now we have the real deal.
It's artistic, okay? Can you, like, show me and the box at the same time whenever...
Well, then get on the ground!
Okay, jeez. Alright. Time for the big experience. Again, no tape, so I could just easily lift it up. Here we go. 3, 2, 1... Whoa! Oh! Do this crazy zoom thing. Whoa! Whoa! So crazy, am I right?
Yeah, so crazy.
Look, power your dreams.
Power your dreams.
Power your dreams. Okay, so, where do we go from here? Oh, that's right.
It's up to you.
Let's see. Okay. Oh! No, we're not gonna do controller yet. You got your, what's this? Power cable, yeah. I'll just, put it here for now. You got your, oh, wait a minute, no. Oh, this is HDMI cable.
Oh, you dumbass.
This is the power cable. This is the power cable right here. Let's see, oh yes, Xbox manual.
The Manuel.
The Manuel.
Relay instructions.
Manuel.
Manuel, relay instructions. Manuel.
Instructions.
Manuel.
Let's see. Oh my god, here we go. Drew.
Huh?
Oh, the controller.
The controller, yeah.
The controller. Are you ready to feel such exquisitivity? That's not a word.
Yeah.
Exquisiteness.
Yes, we have the fridge.
Oh, wait, there's something else in here. Oh, yeah, the batteries. Of course. Can't forget about
all the router people are going to laugh and like, oh, you got the fridge? Oh.
Duracell batteries.
We got the Wi-Fi router.
Oh, my God. It is different.
Let's see. Oh, my God.
Hold on, wait.
Yeah.
Drew, hang on. I'll give you... hang on. Let me just...
Oh, yes, you hypocrite. Have it all to yourself.
No. That's not what I'm saying. Hold on. Okay, now that I tested it out, your turn. Here, give me the phone.
I'm the cameraman, so I got to be the quiet person. That's why I'm so
quiet.
All right,
here, take it. Hey, don't be rough with
it. I braked it already. I already broke it. Hey, guys, by the way. Here, come here. So.
Let's compare. Let's compare.
No, we're not comparing yet. So, this is, our Xbox One S controller. You want to know something funny?
Okay, yeah.
So we came down here to watch a movie on Disney Plus. This thing already it was never acting up before. It started acting up and now it doesn't frickin' work anymore. And it literally happened today. Like conveniently right when we got this for Christmas today. This thing stopped working. So perfect timing, I guess, huh?
I just yeah. Now let's do a comparison. You see, you don't have a share button there. And you do have a share button there. Very interesting.
And I think...
See, the grips... Oh, they feel so much better. What?
Oh, There they are. I was gonna say where are our 360 controllers, but they're over there.
They're over there.
Just on the charging port, not even actually charging. So.
Yeah, exactly. Sorry. Okay, we could.
Okay, well,
let's put the controllers down now.
Okay, let's put the. I'm putting this one away. This is an old piece of crap.
Hey,
now.
don't.
It's a piece of sh.
No, Drew. Come on, you can't.
It's a piece of.
It was high quality.
Hey, guess what? It
just stopped working today.
Okay, I like that controller. The first thing I said to it today was, "You're an old piece of sh." You.
Hey.
Because it gave up on me, dude.
Yeah.
I play Xbox so much and it just stopped working. I'm like, you old piece of garbage.
See, they didn't. Okay, Microsoft didn't change anything about this except that there's a share button. But hey, if it ain't broke, you don't need to fix it. All the difference. Oh wait, the D-pad. I completely right here. Take it.
The D-pad, yeah.
Okay, wait.
What about the D-pad?
Oh, it's
Does
so
it feel good.
It is so different.
Yeah, that feels better.
That
actually.
is.
Yeah, that feels so much. Feels so much better than this old piece of. Oh, I just broke it.
You just hey.
I just dropped it. Actually.
Hey now.
Hey, oh look, batteries. These are coming right out for the new Series X controller over here.
Hang on.
Put them in. Yeah, go ahead and put them in.
Okay, if I remember my battery.
Do you not?
Let's see, like this.
Plus positive, Cameron.
Huh? Yeah. Okay, and
minus is negative.
No, okay, this doesn't matter since we're.
You want to turn it on?
I'm not gonna turn it on right now.
Yet.
All right, I'm gonna just put it here right now.
Okay.
Okay, let me just. People probably skipped this portion. They're going straight to the Series X. So let's be honest.
People don't care.
Okay.
They're not.
Back up.
You're only gonna get like 10 views anyway.
All right, guys, ready for the big experience. If you didn't skip, like and subscribe.
They skipped, and you're only getting 10 views.
Oh man. Okay. So there's a certain way of doing this. I don't want to.
Yeah, everyone's gonna skip this part. They're gonna go right to when you actually get it out. I guess I just
take it. Ugh. Okay. I guess I just take it out.
Another Manuel.
Oh, another Manuel.
Great.
Yes.
Another Manuel.
All right.
Another set of relay instructions.
Manuel.
Relay instructions.
Did
you just frickin' get a paper cut?
Guys, I will actually make a video on paper cuts. No joke, I will.
He's afraid of paper now because he's scared of getting paper cuts.
And I'll make that video after this.
And you still have to finish that middle school video, by the way.
Okay, what does that have to do with this?
Because you haven't gotten it done since, like, your junior year of high school.
Power your dreams.
Yeah, guys. I know, a little off topic, but he still has a video that he wants to, like, make for YouTube. That he has not finished it. Okay. He started work on it in junior year. I'm a junior right now, and he started it at my age, and he still has not finished it yet.
Yeah, actually, it has been in development, sitting on my iPad, since present day. Yeah.
And now he's a sophomore in college.
Since present day? No.
President?
I said present day. Since junior year of high school. So.
And now you're a sophomore in college.
Yeah, it's old.
He claims to say his iPad kept crashing on him, so.
If you hear that my voice sounds younger, okay, when that video actually when the video actually releases, I promise that it will. I will sound younger at the beginning and then older at the end because I haven't done any voice overs for later in the videos. All right,
that's gonna sound
screw it. Stop. We're gonna stop talking now.
All right, shut up.
We're gonna get to the main event. Okay, here we go.
All right,
back up, Drew, because we want to get a big experience.
Yeah, big experience. Ooh. Okay, all right, shut the hell up.
Okay, this pretty cool, high quality stuff. Oh, it's upside down.
Oh, wow, that just ruined it. Wow.
Okay, hold on, I got it. Oh wait, hang on, wait. There's an Easter egg here.
What?
Look at this
Easter egg.
Look at this. Hello from Seattle.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
And here come the PlayStation 5.
There, do your zoom in thing, Drew.
The PS5 people are gonna be like, oh, look at the fridge. We got the Wi-Fi router.
Hey. Console wars suck.
Nah, here's the okay. I don't agree with that, but the PS5. I'm gonna argue right now. The PS5 is just too big. It's huge.
Well, yeah.
It's too big, man.
I don't really care, but
you don't care because we don't have it.
Oh, look, green.
Yeah, the green.
The green.
Oh, wow, that just looks terrible. Wait,
now, hold on.
Wait a minute. What? Oh, that is weird. Oh, that is so weird. Why the green just goes away until you like flip it over this way? That's cool.
Keep the video rolling.
Yeah, shut up. Okay, so no green and then green. That's so weird.
Now hang on. This is the iconic pose that they always do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, exactly. There we go. Oh. Now, hold on, guys. Here's my mock-up.
Oh, let's see how accurate it is.
Here's my mock-up.
It's gonna look awful.
Get the felt out of the way. Here's my mock-up. Let's see if it Oh, it's a little taller.
Ah, it looks terrible.
It's a little taller.
Yeah, then this is definitely way too big.
Yeah, it's a little too tall, but hey.
Yeah, this.
No, wait. It's a feather.
Flying like a little feather.
No, wait.
Is what I'm gonna do to this now.
Hey, width-wise.
What? Okay.
It's too fat, also.
Also, I'm gonna have to make the camera vertical unless you want me to back up a lot to see that.
Yeah, that's fine. Well,
that thing flew like a feather. Now let's see if this can fly like a feather.
No. All right. Well, guys, I guess that is it for this unboxing video. If you skipped around a lot, I don't blame you.
And if you thought it was cringe, well, I agree with you.
Drew keeps talking a lot, don't you? You keep talking too much.
Oh, yeah, because I'm the camera guy. I gotta be quiet.
Okay. Well, guys, that will do it for this video. Yeah, it's off.
It's not gonna work yet.
Unfortunately, we're not gonna just plug it in straight away because we have to figure things out. But hi.
Yeah, keep going.
If you like this marvelous unboxing video, give it a like, subscribe, comment down below what you thought, blah blah blah, like what all YouTubers think of. I'll see you. Wait, I don't want to copy it from Markiplier. I guess I'll see you next time. Stay green. Yeah.